Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add two columns together in Excel. Okay, now see this column 1, column 2. Added this two column equal to concatenate. Double click here. Cells 1, comma cells 2. Press enter. Now see this added two column. You can edit space here. Double click space double comma space double comma and single comma. Click enter. Now see this edit space double click to autofill. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.